Good morning, good morning, good morning. Want to do a quick pre-market rundown. What to watch? So we got PIRS here. It was in play yesterday. Fortunately, yesterday it ran up in the morning and then dumped, and then it kind of picked back up in the afternoon, right before pre-market, or right before the bell. Came out with news again today. We are forming an ascending wedge on it right here. I traded it already once this morning. I actually sold right in here in this area. I just didn't trust it with yesterday, the one and done. So definitely going to keep this one on watch. My two favorite stocks for today are FFHL. We have super low float on it. Our group traded it, or we alerted it yesterday in the afternoon, after hours, 3 million share float. So this is my number one watch for today. We have it bouncing off support here. So what we want to see is this bounce here, and then a hold of support, and then we're looking for a move higher. And then my second favorite low float, is GRVI. Traded this one already this morning on Webull, both of them. We do have an area of support here yesterday, which was yesterday's resistance. So we have support again for this morning. We have the bounce. Now we're just waiting to see what it does. We are making a lower high here, which I don't really like. But again, keep these two on your watch list for today. And then we had SPCE with news. We called it out. Traded it on Webull. Got in about right here. Sold it right in this area. It did continue higher. We're forming an ascending wedge on it right now. Looking to trade call options on it at the open. We did just break an all-time high here from Wednesday, yesterday. So we want to just keep an eye on this one, see what it does. Again, we are at a high. Let's look at the 180-day chart on it real quick. So we're not at an all-time high, but this would be an area to watch right here. Your next level here at $52. And then we're looking to break 58 if we continue the uptrend on it. MRIN. Right now we're sitting at an area of resistance, support. It kind of went both ways. You could keep this one on watch today. OSMT. We broke out of the right side of the roof on it.
PIRS, Paris Pharmaceuticals, hitting now $5.38 at the high, $1.01. That's
so PRIS broke out. Again, I don't buy these breakouts up in this area. Again, you do not want to be a buyer in this area. You want to be a buyer in this area. So PIRS is not something that interests me at the moment. It did have news again this morning. Again, we caught this little run up here for a small profit. I only took 10 shares on it because I didn't trust it from what happened yesterday at this time. But the thing I do like about it is that we have small candles coming up to a resistance area. But again, we already tried 1-2 times. This is the third time. This would be your first candle to make a new high. We'd never buy the first candle of a breakout. That's how the market makers get all these people trapped with that breakout, fake out. Now we're already forming the right side of the roof. Let's go ahead and draw that out for you. And then let's see if this thing, notice it will touch this and continue to trend down. So it'll respect this right side of the roof. We had another right side of the roof here. If you bought that breakout, you got faked out. We had the chimney with smoke. This would have been a good scalping area here, right in this area. All right, guys, that's my pre-market update for this morning. That's my watch list. Again, I'm on watch on FFHL, GRIV, PIRS, and then again looking for some call options on SPCE if the opportunity presents itself. I'm also keeping an eye on OSMT. We did break out of the roof area, so we're trading sideways on it right now, but I'm going to keep an eye on it, see what it does. We could see a nice move on it today. We did have a little bit of news. All right, guys, have a great trading day, and I will see you all Monday at 9 a.m., and I may start doing these pre-market updates as well. All right, guys, I'll be around.